what is going on there, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Spongebob Fun Edition. So this is I guess a limited bundle with Spongebob Squarepants Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated Edition. It's the new revamp of the Spongebob, and just maybe not limited, but it's definitely a more exclusive item. You get more things with it. So this is the highest bundle you can get. You can get it at Best Buy, GameStop, you name it. So today we're going to be unboxing and see what is under the hood. So the first part, trying to get that nice unpackaged feel, but you know, it really does. So, now, would help, I guess, if we could actually unbox it. All right. First thing under the hood, this lovely piece of cardboard. Ooh, and then we got this big sort of box. Like, I might actually have to tip this the heck over because I don't want to. Let's see here. And it was actually the right way upside down, so that's interesting. Wow. Wow. Let's take this away for a second. Holy heck. Let's take this away. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't get something like this every day. You do not get. This is pretty interesting here. Now, if you let's zoom in just a little bit here to go over if my focus here would work. There's all different sort of things here. Very colorful. I might try to upload just a better video here of this part because it's kind of hard to focus on this. But yeah, this is the back of it. It just kind of just says Fun Edition. Includes the action figures, the little stickers, the socks, you know, you name it, the games and whatnot. Because this is for the Nintendo Switch, so this is definitely the most exclusive bundle you can get for Nintendo Switch. So you know, I kind of, you know, when I got this, I was like, holy heck! I'm like, there's no way. And then it's just like now, because I haven't unboxed this yet. So this is definitely interesting here. How the whole entire box. Not only was I not expecting that box to be big, but it actually fits it perfectly. Like this whole entire thing. I mean, there's your, I guess, premium price, guys. There's how much you're paying for. You're just literally paying for this. So now we're gonna unbox the hood here. Is there anything at the bottom? Oh, there is. Well, this is not even on. So you got your on the front here, your Nintendo Switch, your E for everyone, Rehydrated, Fun Edition. And then before I open the rest of the hood here, you're gonna notice here there's some other things. I guess it kind of just shows you some of the things that's inside here. You got your action figures at the bottom and your keychains on the sort of front there. And then if you turn it here, yes, the rest of the stuff that's in the box, pretty much what's in the box, right? It's going to be in the box. You got your limited socks there, you got your stickers, and then you got your looks like the prints there, some limited art maybe. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna see if we can actually get this off without having to rip it, because I definitely would not want to do that. Oh, it looks like this is still taped. All right, now it should come off pretty easily. Well, for the most part. Is there anything else taped? No. And then what's under here? just the same thing. Just the rest of the box. It's literally just to each their own, right? Let's see here. Oh, okay. So, okay. So it looks like the box opens from over here. So some beautiful artwork there. So we're gonna put this over here for now, and see about where in the heck we're gonna open this. All right, right here. Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay. Whoa, ho, ho, oh. Now, I am not going to take these out because they are, you know, quote unquote collectible, but I will show you at least what's in here. All right, the first here is Patrick. Patrick over here with his own sort of like, you know, sort of style here with the watermelon, crushed watermelons and whatnot. You got that there. It's 21 centimeters, so it's about 8 inches, I guess, tall. So it's pretty cool. And then, of course, we got the game. You know, you can't buy a bundle like this and not get the game. Of course, I'm sure there's people that do that though. Probably companies per se. And then you got the tiki keychains here. You got the interesting sort of cover here, and then you got the keychain stuff in the back here. Now this, however, this one doesn't look like it has any tape or anything, and of course makes it pretty easy, so we can just open it up and see what we got. Okay, got some. Ooh. All right, so definitely feels like plastic here. However, there's your first sort of keychain here. You got the tiki here. Pretty cool keychain one though. And then you got your next one, the other sort of tiki. And then you got, ooh, the little, what did I think those, like the hidden ones where you have to like sneak up to them. And then you got, I think these are the fire ones, I think. It's pretty cool. And then you got your, actually, you know what? Yeah, this is the sturdy one. This is the one that you can't break, I guess, unless you get the fire. It looks like, however, I don't know if this is on purpose, but these look pretty fine. And then you have this one. I just noticed this here, how there's like a chip there, and I don't know if that's done on purpose or if that's because of the packaging. I might contact the manufacturer about that because this one definitely looks beat up. However, let's move on to the other part here. I'll put these in the back box then. For the shortness of the video, let's go into the next thing here. Next here, we got the stickers. Now, quite frankly, I don't think I'll ever use these, so I'm just going to keep them in here. But they got some nice, interesting, definitely feels like very, very premium sort of stickers here. So that is very cool. And then, of course, probably not even my size, even though they probably are like a one size fit all. You got your size, oh, actually, there's size 22 to 24 centimeter. Look, I got like Fred Flintstone feet, so I'm just telling you right now, this ain't gonna fit me. But yeah, you got some really cool sort of socks here. Definitely pretty cool. And then next here, you got your next, I don't know if I want to say action figure, but definitely a collectible sort of figure here. You got your, looks like he's standing, SpongeBob, his tongue out, and then Gary's right there. So you got your SpongeBob and your Gary, and it looks like he's standing on like a robot or whatever that he crushed. Looks like maybe the hammer one, the ham one, or the, yeah, definitely pretty cool. Yeah. This one is 23 centimeters, which is 9 inches tall. So that one's a little bit taller than the other one. And then we got the last one here, Sandy Cheeks. You cannot go without Sandy Cheeks here. You got the squirrel on and then she looks like she's on the clam or whatever, and then a rope that she has a special ability. Looks like there's a tiki in the back there. This one is 21 centimeters. Oh my God, centimeters. So this is 8 inches tall. So pretty much the same one as the first one. So it looks like SpongeBob is the tallest here. And that looks like it's it. That is pretty much it. Actually, no, I lie. You got your artwork here. Now this, I really wasn't planning on opening any of this, but this I really want to see. I really want to see how this looks, okay? Stickers are just like, but like this is some artwork here, okay? So I'm gonna try to see if I might just upload this, to be honest. So, definitely if you don't see the best quality here, which you're probably not, I'll definitely be uploading these. So definitely try to get the best I can here. But yeah, definitely here. And it looks like this one's the Goo Lagoon. And notice it's so funny how there's like if you notice here, which I'll probably upload a better version of this, but it's like the caveman sponge. This one, however, the first one I was showing, this was Goo Lagoon. This is the Goo Lagoon, like the next area. This looks like this might be the Jellyfish Field, the cave one, I think. This one looks like it's rock bottom, I think. I think it's rock bottom. And then you got the winter one, which I am not sure the name offhand. I just know I remember this area. So definitely pretty interesting there. And then this one looks like it's really cool. This one this one looks like it's downtown Bikini Bottom. So definitely these are definitely pretty cool. Now, would I say it's worth the price? Well, because the game's like what, $30? It's kind of hard to say unless you're like a diehard, like a pretty diehard SpongeBob fan like me. It's hard to say. I mean, this stuff could be collectible, and I'm sure this stuff is probably selling on eBay for a good amount of money right now. Wouldn't surprise me. But I definitely feel this stuff could be worth value, but could it be, definitely like worth every bang in your butt? Probably not. I mean, I think it's a great opportunity to really, enjoy some of the SpongeBob things here, because it's not often you have a SpongeBob game, okay? This is not something very often, and when you see something released like that, it's just, it's definitely breathtaking to, especially because there's a lot of SpongeBob fans out there, and when you see stuff like this, it's definitely not often. So I'm sure there's definitely going to be people here buying that sort of stuff. But if you are really like, in the market and you have enough money to buy this, by all means go ahead. But if you're looking for the game experience, you don't have a lot of money, well, this is probably not the best bet for you. But I mean, over years of time, could this stuff be of value? I'm sure it can. But I definitely feel like this is really cool. And for somebody like me that's a really SpongeBob fan since, oh my God, since I was like 8 or 9, like it's definitely cool. I really like it. And, I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing here. I might go into detail if you guys request it about physically looking and I know there's going to be more gameplay for sure of this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, everybody, I'm Broadway Pixels, and I hope you have a wonderful day.